Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 35 stocks including Indian Bank, Larsen and Toubro, Dr. Reddy's Lab, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Indigo Paints Limited share is trading around rupees 1061. Indigo Paints announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Indigo Paints. NHPC Limited share is trading around rupees 87. Company announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by NHPC. Jupiter Wagons Limited JWL share is trading around rupees 407. Jupiter Wagons announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 30th May is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Bharat Bhushan Share and Commodity Brokers Limited share is trading around rupees 73.5. Bharat Bhushan Share and Commodity Brokers announced rights issue at the rate rupees 10 per share in the ratio 1:1. Issue size is 33,80,400 shares. To apply for the rights issue, you have to purchase the shares of Bharat Bhushan Share and Commodity Brokers on 30th May 2025. Last date to buy the share is 30th May 2025. S. Chand and Company Limited. S. Chand share is trading around rupees 218. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 30th May 2025. Advani Hotels and Resorts India Limited share is trading around rupees 63. Advani Hotels and Resorts announced a dividend of 90 paise per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 30th May 2025. Birla Nu Limited share is trading around rupees 2317. Birla Nu announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Birla Nu. Bajaj Finance Limited current market price rupees 9271. Bajaj Finance announced a dividend of rupees 44 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 30th May 2025. IFGL Refractories Limited current market price rupees 535. IFGL Refractories announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 6th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Elecon Engineering Company Limited Elecon current market price rupees 680. Elecon Engineering announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 13th June 2025. Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited current market price rupees 3162. Torrent Pharmaceuticals announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. 20th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Uno Minda Limited Uno Minda current market price rupees 999. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. 30th May is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Papers Limited TNPL current market price rupees 167. Tamil Nadu Newsprint announced a dividend of rupees 3 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Tamil Nadu Newsprint. Petronet LNG Limited Petronet current market price rupees 313. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Petronet LNG. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited Power Grid current market price rupees 291. Power Grid Corporation announced a dividend of rupees 1.25 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Power Grid. Imami Limited current market price rupees 578. Imami announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 22nd May. Ambuja Cements Limited Ambuja Cem current market price rupees 560. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. 13th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. High Energy Batteries Limited current market price rupees 714. High Energy Batteries announced a dividend of rupees 3 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 6th June 2025. RITES Limited, current market price rupees 288. RITES also announced a dividend of rupees 2.65 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by RITES. Tata Chemicals Limited, Tata Chem, current market price rupees 895. Company announced a dividend of rupees 11 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 12th June 2025. Endurance Technologies Limited, Endurance, share is trading around rupees 2,424. Endurance Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Endurance Technologies. HP Adhesive Limited, HPAL, current market price rupees 52. HP Adhesive announced a dividend of 40 paise per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by HP Adhesive. Happiest Minds Limited, current market price rupees 605. Happiest Minds announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per share. 18th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Tata Elxsi Limited, current market price rupees 6,471. Tata Elxsi announced a dividend of rupees 75 per share. 11th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Nelco Limited, Nelco, current market price rupees 898. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 9th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Vesuvius India Limited, Vesuvius, current market price rupees 5,647. Vesuvius India announced the stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Vesuvius India, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex-date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 10th June 2025. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited, Dr. Reddy, current market price rupees 1,243. Company announced a dividend of rupees 8 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Dr. Reddy. Kalyan Jewellers India Limited, current market price rupees 570. Kalyan Jewellers also announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Kalyan Jewellers. Larsen and Toubro Limited, LT, current market price rupees 3,646. Larsen and Toubro announced a dividend of rupees 34 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Larsen and Toubro. Bank of India Limited, Bank India, current market price rupees 120. Bank of India announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 20th June 2025. Garden Reach Shipbuilders Engineers Limited, GRSE, current market price rupees 2,891. GRSE announced a dividend of rupees 5.4 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by GRSE. Novartis India Limited, Novart Ind, current market price rupees 1,054. Company announced a dividend of rupees 25 per share. 23rd July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Skoda Tubes Limited, face value rupees 10 per share, price band rupees 130 to 140, lot size 100 shares. IPO opens on 28th May and closes on 30th May 2025. Tentative allotment 2nd June 2025. Initiation of funds 3rd June 2025. Credit of shares to demat account also fixed as 3rd June 2025. Listing date is fixed as 4th June 2025. Skoda Tubes Limited, incorporated in 2008. Skoda Tubes Limited is a manufacturer of stainless steel tubes and pipes. The company's products are broadly categorized into two types. One, seamless tubes, pipes and welded tubes, pipes. These are further divided into 5 product lines: stainless steel seamless pipes, stainless steel seamless tubes, stainless steel seamless U-tubes, stainless steel instrumentation tubes, stainless steel welded tubes and U-tubes. The company markets its products under the brand name Skoda Tubes Limited. Customers include engineering companies EPC, engineering, procurement and construction firms and industrial companies across sectors such as oil and gas, chemicals, fertilizers, power, pharmaceuticals, automotive, railways and transportation. This is the balance sheet of Skoda Tubes Limited. All the amounts are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.